Are you an entrepreneur or are you a wantrepreneur? Are you willing to do what it takes or not? So guys, Williams Wealth Creation Coaching is no joke. We're looking for the serious people who want real results in their business, who want to really build a business, who want to really become successful and really put a sales system in place that's going to work. Guys, I used to work with business owners that were spending $40,000 a month on just advertising alone. You know, guys, I'm sure that he wanted the extra $40,000. Who wouldn't? But guys, you have to be willing to do what it takes if you want to be the owner. If you want to be the boss, you got to do what people aren't going to do. So guys, again, like this is no joke, and that's why we're looking for the serious people who want real results. And people who don't pay, they don't do. They're not serious. People who pay are serious. They do better. You need confidence to be able to invest that kind of money in yourself and your business. And you need confidence to run a successful business, to run and grow a successful business. So by charging, we weed out the not serious people. We separate the successful from the non-successful. It separates the entrepreneurs from the wantrepreneurs. So guys, decide. Are you an entrepreneur or are you a wantrepreneur? Are you willing to do what it takes or not?